Your knee makes a cracked sound. Don't panic, but don't ignore everything either. I'll start a series, Physio Decode, in which try to understand what's your body trying to tell you. If your knee makes a crack, click or pop sound when you squat or stand, does that automatically means your knee is damaged? Simply no. Sometimes this sound can happen because of a gas bubbles in the joint fluid, movements of the tendons, ligaments or normal changes inside the joints. But there is the important part. If the sound is happened without a pain, swelling, locking, instability, it may not be a major concern, but if your knee is making sound with pain, swelling, giving way or locking, that's when you shouldn't simply ignore it. So the next time your knee crack, don't immediately think my cartilage is gone or the arthritis or any other problem in my knee. Look at the whole picture. Say this because someone in your family definitely need to hear this. Follow for more physio records like this.